Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing the text and project settings so voice matches your cut. Import your sequence, confirm 48K HZ audio and frame rate, then open text or speech-to-text panel. Once done, paste or import the script into the TTS input field and choose a voice preset. Make sure to set language and pronunciation exceptions early, because correcting them after generation takes time. Now generate a short test clip to verify tone and pacing before committing to full narration. Now focus on getting the voice right. Preview different voices and tweak rate and pitch. Choose slightly slower settings for clarity. Use punctuation and line breaks to create natural pauses, and insert short markers in your timeline to match on-screen actions. Once satisfied, export or render the TTS output as a WAV file, then place it on an audio track under your timeline. Make sure to trim breathy starts and ends. Apply light EQ and de-esser to match your existing audio tone. Finish by mixing and exporting. Level the TTS between -18 and -12 dB, duck background music using sidechain compression if it competes, and apply a final limiter. Export the sequence with the same sample rate as the TTS file to avoid drift. If timing shifts occur, relink the rendered audio or nudge clips by frames. Troubleshooting tip: when pronunciation or cadence is wrong, edit the source text with phonetic hints or alternate wording, then regenerate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.